Welcome back to another exciting session. Today we are going to learn a very important and informative topic that has different names. The topic is magic E or the silent E, shh, or the final E, or the bossy E, or the hop over E, or the split digraph. So these all terms or names are just for a single concept that I am going to explain today. So understanding the magic E or the silent E rules are very necessary skills for kids to become a good or fluent readers. So as a teacher, I think we should teach these important spelling rules to our young learners during phonic lessons in KG or first grade. So let's move on to the topic. What is magic E? The magic E is also known as the silent E or the hop over E or the bossy E or final E. When the letter E is placed at the end of a word, then it becomes silent. Shh. This is known as magic E. The magic E changes the short vowel into a long vowel sound. A magic E, commonly known as a split digraph. Split means divide or partition, and digraph means two letters joined together and make a one new sound. So when a digraph is split by a consonant, it is known as split digraph. Like A, E. In split digraph, we can't write these two vowels in this way because they do not sit next to each other in the word. One consonant should be there in the middle of the silent E and the vowel. Look here. Vowel, consonant and the silent E. So the silent E or magic E can jump over a consonant and gives its power to the other vowel. In this way, the letter E becomes silent. Shh. And the other vowel gets power and makes a long vowel sound. So this is called a split digraph. Split digraph means a digraph which is split by a consonant. Magic E or silent E rules. There are few rules to remember when using the silent E or magic E. Rule number 1. Vowel sound rule. There are two types of vowel sounds, short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. Long vowel sound means the letter itself, and short vowel sound means the original sound of the vowel. It doesn't sound like a letter. So in this rule, the vowel makes a long sound because of finally or magic E or the silent E. For example, hat, hat. It's a CVC word. In CVC word, vowel makes short sound. But when we put E at the end of the word, it becomes silent. Shh. This is known as the magic E. The magic E changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound, like hate. Long vowel sound means the letter itself. The letter says its own name. So here the letter is A. So the sound is A. A, T. Hate. And E is silent. Shh. So this is called the magic E. The magic E changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. Look at the word and say aloud, sit. S, E, T, sit. It's a CVC word. In CVC word, vowel makes short sound. But if we put the letter E at the end of the word, it becomes sight. Sight. Listen very carefully. Sight. Here the sound is changing, spelling is changing, and meaning is also changing for being a silent E at the end of the word. This is called the magic E or the silent E. So here the letter E is at the end of the word, and here one more vowel is I. So I and E, two vowels are separated by a consonant, that is T. This is called split digraph. Split digraph means two vowels that are separated by a consonant and then come together to make a sound. It's called split digraph. So here the magic E or the silent E or hop over E can jump over a consonant and gives its power to the other vowel. In this way, the letter E becomes silent. Shh. And the other vowel receives power and makes a long sound. Long sound means the letter says its own name. Here the letter is I. So the long sound is I. S, I, T. Sight is silent, right? Shh. So this is sight. Sight. This is called split digraph or the magic E or the silent E or hop over E. There are many words in the English language with a silent E or a magic E. Some examples are tap, tape, not, note, man, main, pin, pine, fin, fine, cod, code, mad, maid, cub, cube, tub, tube, kit, kite, etc. So these are the words that have a magic E or the silent E at the end of the word, and it is silent. Shh. So the magic E or the silent E changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. Next, rule number 2, consonant sounds. In this rule, the silent E changes the sounds of C and G. C and G make a soft sound due to the silent E, like ice, cell, face, scent, etc. So look here, the letter C is followed by the silent E or magic E. That is why it makes the S sound. S. It's a soft sound of letter C. When the letter G is followed by the silent E or magic E, it usually makes the J sound. It's a soft sound of letter G, like gem, edge, germ, gentle. So here the letter G makes the J sound due to the silent E or magic E. Rule number 3. English words do not usually end in U and V. The rule of English spelling narrates that words cannot end with U or V. We use a silent final E when a word ends in U and V. For example, have, love, give, wave, blue, glue, true, etc. So the silent E or magic E keeps the letter U and V from being the last letter of any word, and the final E doesn't make any sound. There are a few more interesting jobs of magical E or the silent E in English language. So let's learn. First, E is added to words that end in S to show that a word is not plural. For example, house, horse, nurse, mouse, etc. Observe the words very carefully. Here the silent E sits at the end of the word so that they do not look like a plural. Next, every syllable must have a vowel. Yes, we all know very well that every syllable has a vowel, and when we have a two-syllable word and the last syllable doesn't have a vowel, then we add E. For example, turtle, table. These are two-syllable words. Turtle. So tell needs a E. Table. Bell needs a E. Few more examples are maple, maple, little, little, battle, battle, purple, purple, etc. So these are all two-syllable words, and there is E at the last syllable, and the E is silent. So we add E to make it a consonant plus LE syllable. The last one. The letter TH says the voiced sound the because of the silent E, like bath, bathe, cloth, clothe. So when we want to change the sound of TH to the voiced sound, then we add the silent E at the end of the word. Then it says the voiced sound like bath, bathe, cloth, clothe. As I already mentioned that the final E can only jump over one letter to make the vowel say its name, but in some words the vowel still says its regular short sound like large, dance, etc. because the final E cannot jump over two letters. That is why the vowel still says its regular short sound. So guys, today we are learning about the magic E. The magic E is called by its name because it helps to make learning more interesting, fun and engaging for young learners. So let's recall what we have learned about the magic E in English language. Number 1. The magic E itself is completely silent. The magic E comes at the end of the words that end in a single vowel and a single consonant. The magic E changes the short vowel sound into a long vowel sound. The magic E changes the spelling, meaning and pronunciation of the word. So that's all for today. I'll be back very soon with an interesting activity on magic E or the silent E? Watch the video to learn how to pronounce the words containing magic E or the silent E. Happy learning. Bye-bye.